What's up, everybody? Scatterbrain Dad here. Check this out. Today we're at a commercial property. We are doing some bushes. Now, my gas-powered trimmer won't start. Hence why I bought the battery-powered one in the first place. Now, we're gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you what all I got done on this property out of one charge. So, don't judge my trimming because this is a new property. It's the first time we're trimming these bushes, so we're trying to shape them off of somebody else's work. So, anyways, we got this little section in here. All of this stuff. We got the married couple here working hard. No, but anyway, so check it out. So we got all these bushes here. I got a few bushes over here. Now, this is all on this battery powered one now. I ran out of battery. I can't do any more. But we got Rachel over here. Say hi. Okay, so those bushes right there. This side over here. Now, we're gonna run up here real quick and I'm gonna show you this little section of bushes. Oh, it's dark. People probably think I'm weird, but whatever. So, these bushes over here, bear with me here. So, we got these bushes right there. All these bushes right here. Now, this here's a new property. There's underground parking here, so we're trying to get this water or this grass to come back. But these bushes, this bush doesn't have any water. We got to get water to them, but they're gonna come back. But yeah, so there's 3 bushes right there. Come on, focus. So those bushes. Now we'll walk down here to the other parking. I'll show you the other little entrance that we do. But remember, straight battery powered Makita. Non-stop trimming the bushes. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Sorry, I'm going this way.
Oh, sorry. So remember, battery powered Makita hedge trimmer. We trimmed pretty much all those. Now we got these ones right here. All these bushes right there. A couple bushes here. These bushes. Now there were some dead bushes right here that got torn out. But remember, we're having to make do with these bushes right now until we can get, here in the fall and trim them how we want them to be trimmed. But overall, looks pretty good. So we got those bushes, all these bushes, and then over here we got a few more. Now, I'd say that is not too bad. I've only got a little bit more to do on this property, but if I had another set of batteries or one more hedge trimmer, I'm pretty sure I could get all the bushes done on this whole property with ease. So I'm gonna order another one and we're gonna get 2 Makitas, and then we're gonna still have a battery power or a gas powered one, but we had to order a new carburetor for it. So yeah, peace out. That's our work for this morning. We're gonna head on back out here and finish cleaning up. But yeah, go have some fun, go make some money, go film some stuff. All right, peace.